In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in MetaTrader 5. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. You cannot change your account leverage directly inside the MetaTrader 5 or MT5 trading platform itself. A lot of traders look through the MT5 menus expecting to find a leverage setting there, but leverage is actually controlled by your broker, not by the trading software. So if you want to adjust it, you'll need to do it through your broker's website. Start by going to your broker's official website and signing into your secure client portal or dashboard. This is the area where your trading accounts are managed, including things like account settings, deposits, withdrawals, and leverage preferences. Make sure you're logging into the correct portal linked to your MT5 account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the trading account you want to update. If you have more than one account, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. This is especially helpful if you use separate accounts for different strategies or instruments. Next, find your MT5 account number, then look for the settings option next to that account. Depending on the broker, this could appear as a gear icon, an edit button, or a small menu beside the account details. Open that settings area to access the account management options. From there, look for an option labeled Change Leverage or Adjust Leverage. When you select it, you should see a drop-down menu with available leverage ratios. Choose the ratio that fits your trading needs. Keep in mind that higher leverage can increase both potential profits and potential losses, so it's worth selecting a level that matches your risk tolerance and trading style. After choosing your preferred leverage, click Submit or Save to confirm the change. Your broker will then process the update. In many cases, the change happens fairly quickly, but depending on the broker, it may take a little time to apply fully to your account. If you don't see the leverage option, there may be account restrictions, instrument-specific limits, or regional regulations affecting what's available. In that case, check with your broker's support team for clarification, and that's all it takes. Just remember, leverage changes for MT5 are handled through your broker's client portal, not inside the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once the update is processed, your account will reflect the new leverage setting.